The sneeze that saved the town. Here's the story of the man who accidentally stopped a war between the towns. In 1884, a cowboy named Tom Silence Carey rode into the town of Hickory as the local gangs were preparing to start a massive shootout for control of a mine. Tom walked into the saloon, ordered a glass of milk, and then let out a ridiculously loud sneeze. The moment everyone was waiting for the signal to start firing was drowned out by his sneeze, and both gangs froze for a split second. That tiny pause was all the sheriff needed to disarm the gang leaders. And that's how a single sneeze became the most peaceful way a town was saved in the Wild West.